lobsters. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. Gawa tayo ng hamachi roll, guys. Kung paano nagawa ng hamachi roll. Yes, guys. Tayo ng lobster, guys. Ito na, guys, buksan na natin, guys. Wow, ayan na, guys, sarap na yan, oh. Ayan natin sa oven, guys. Wow, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, guys. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Woo. Woo. Okay, guys, iwain na natin yung lobster. Sarap to, guys. I-oven natin, guys. Meron tayong crabs, guys. Tapos meron tayong lobster dito, guys, na malalaki. Wow, ang sarap nito, guys. Ang sarap yan, guys, oh. Malutong pa, ilagay ko sa oven, oh. Crunchy crunchy pa, guys. Ayan ang taba. Oh my god. Big lobster, guys. Wow. Ooh. Lobster! Lobster! Yeah. Ito. Guys. Sa Krispy Kreme. Oh, yeah. You buy it. Okay, guys. Kabili na kami, guys. Ayan. Kabili na kami, guys, ng Krispy Kreme. Guys, kain muna tayo ng Krispy Kreme. Ayan, bili muna tayo ng Krispy Kreme. Donut. Donut. Ayan, guys. Kain. Dito muna kami sa simbahan, guys. Simba muna. Ito ang Catholic Church. Ayan. Ayan, guys, ang Catholic Church. Ayan, guys. Catholic Church, guys.